Hey traders, welcome to TradeZella's B trading course. This program is built for traders who are tired of guessing and finally want real structure. In these 8 lessons, I'm going to show you how to master your mindset, manage your risk, and trade with confidence step by step. Whether you're just starting out or already trading live, this trading course will help you think and trade like a professional. Let's get started. Open the app, this will be here. So all what you actually need is this arrow, backtesting. Then you press create a session. You put the name of your session, so that means that you actually put in what kind of trading plan you're using. So if it's sweep of time based, you put this in. If it's the orb, just put in the orb. It's futures we take. You take your symbol, so for us that's Nasdaq. You can choose NQ or MNQ. Most of us trade MNQ, so trade MNQ. Your starting balance, set it like a prop firm's balance, so I would say 2K. Starting date, say from 1 October maximum till maybe last Friday. No, smart. 1 November is also good. So don't take this too long, so this actually has to go pretty fast. If you have set this you can remove immediately. Indicators are up here. I want you to add one thing. If you do if you're trading session based, not orb, set up sessions, make sure they are correct. I'll send which one you need to implement in a picture, so you actually know what to put in here. And then we can see day by day. So say that you say I want to do pre-orb. You go to 7 o'clock when normal session starts. So this should be pre-orb, 15-minute based. So this would be actually that candle that is now creating. Here you can see the minutes that are skipped back to front. If this is too fast, go over it again. So just take first 15 minutes. We set out a range. We need a 5-minute breach, so this is a 5-minute breach that we have. So this is a 5-minute breach that we had. Okay, great. So we should take a short here. Stops per value gap inside, so stops would be at the high. Profit, we don't know yet. So this is an entry. Here you can choose how to enter. Down the downside, the quantity, so say that we have from here to here is how much? 21 points. So that means about 3 contracts. Sells. You have a stop at the high. You will see how much your stop is. So if you see it's 127, that means that we can still enter. If you have a 200 1 hour correction, so 2 more sells. I know this will be a bit of a boring part, but please do this. It will let you see that you actually can make profitable, and then you just go 1 by 1 minute. This goes fast, so I will learn you how to add to later on, after you learned how to add. So we've seen it tapped low, it took some liquidity. You can choose how to take profits too. So 2 hour we actually made on this one. I'll just go 5 minutes. So that was my TP already. This did take some time, so then you can see, okay, we made now $400 up to the next session. Done with this session. Okay, so next session is on Monday, same time, 7 o'clock again. Opening, oh, that was 7:30. So this actually goes pretty fast. Next 15 minutes open. So we need to see the first 15 minutes, so 7, 7:45, 1, 2. So that's 7, 7, oh that was a full candle. Again, watch the 5 minutes, we see a breach. Okay, we have to take a buy here. Stops again at the lows. We do have a value gap here, so that could be our stop. It depends on which kind of movement you actually take, and then you just let it go and see what it brings. So that was a stop. Afterwards, after you have done this for about a few times, we go back to TradeZella. So we do this, and here you will see your results afterwards. The orb, you can go watch session results, and here you will see how much profit you take, how consistently you are in profit making, and how actually over time what actually delivered. This is what you need to implement for your brain, so you know that it works, so you can implement it yourself. This is a fast showing what TradeZella is actually about. So just use the code, it's free for a month, so try to do this actually, so it will help you a lot actually. It will help you be consistent in your trading. That's all what we need to do as a trader. Follow a plan, structured, completely, constantly, over and over again.